the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. Okay. Hey, Mr. Smith here. I'm at Mary B. Flower Farm in Parkton, Maryland. Great place. They've allowed me to come and take my plein air stuff and do some artwork today. So I'm going to start unloading the truck and walk my little red wagon down to where the flowers are. Let you see what my wagon looks like in the truck. Got my little red wagon, all my supplies. So it's down the hill a bit, so I'll be back once I get set up. See, she has to keep a lot of the flowers penned in because of the deer. Deer are so bad. I'm gonna stop right there. Just look at some of these beautiful flowers. These are going to be some of my subjects for today. These. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. And look at these, just sparking. Look at these. And this is the hill I'm going up. And these were sunflowers right here. I guess you're saying where are the tops? Deer. They jumped the electrical fence. Look at the beautiful colors. Man, this is such a treat. Mary, thank you for allowing me the opportunity to come out here. I guess a lot of people say, wow, this guy really likes flowers, doesn't he? But I'm a person that likes color. I like vibrant color. And where do you think it comes from? Where do you think our Native American friends, when they first created paintings, where do you think they got reds like that? And different colors. They got it from the earth. Paint wasn't always synthetic coming out of a tube. Real paint comes from the earth. It comes from minerals. It comes from rocks. It comes from plants. It comes from life, not synthetics. I know many of us were raised on acrylic paints, but real paint is ground for mortar and a pestle. Oh my God, look at these. I had a teacher way back. He would make us buy dry pigment, and he taught us to grind and to make our paints. I bet they don't do that in art schools anymore. Well, look at me. I've been sitting here on my iPad trying to create art. Oh, these purples. And this is past the season for these. They're a little wilted. Bees are still coming, but they are so vibrant. Oh man, look at these fuchsias and these pinks. Reminds me of a story that I used to tell the kids. The legend of the Indian paintbrush. Excuse me, my Native American friends, that is the title of the story. It was a story about a little young Native American brave coming of age. He didn't want to hunt with the other gentlemen coming of age. He wanted to tell the stories of his people. So he looked for the right canvas or skin to make his painting. Once he found that skin, he needed the most beautiful and boldest colors he could find. Until one morning he woke up, he looked on the mountaintop, and there he saw paintbrushes sticking out of the mountaintop, hundreds of them filled with paint. He took his skin up there and he painted the most wonderful painting that could tell the story of his ancestors for all to see. He left the paintbrushes, and then the next day the whole mountain was ablaze. The paintbrushes had turned to beautiful, beautiful flowers. Thank you for watching Mr. Smith's Art Room for Kids. Please like, subscribe, come back again. And remember, Mary B's Flower Farm, parked in Maryland. Great place. Call ahead. Make a reservation. Tell her Mr. Smith sent you. Okay.